Hi, ma'am. Dalo kay ma'am. Anong papagawa mo?
I'm not sure, but my hair is frizzy.
Hmm.
So I want like a hairstyle that is easy to maintain. Kasi usually I rebond, kaso it's hard to maintain it.
Okay.
And I think I want to color my hair naturally. I'm not sure what color yet, but I've never colored my hair kasi.
Okay. Pero may picture ka ba ng color?
Wait.
Para at least may idea tayo. Okay. May bangs.
No. I'm not sure yet.
Curtain bangs lang.
Curtain.
Manipis lang. Sige. How about yung color? Do you have a picture?
Color. Pwede brown. I'm not sure if bagay kasi eh.
Yeah, brown is okay. One color lang, you mean? You mean one color lang?
Yes,
Or
but
you
I
want-
don't want it flat.
Okay. What I mean is, you want highlights or just one color? This is one color.
One color. Yeah, kahit one color.
One color. Okay. And then, okay. So we can do the haircut, the one color. Now, sa treatment, if you want ma-lessen yung frizz without doing rebonding, anti-frizz yung pwede.
Okay.
But hindi siya straightening. So, it can lessen maybe 50 to 60%.
Pero there's still like volume.
Yeah. There's still natural volume ng hair mo. Okay yun. Sige.
For me kasi after I take a bath, nawawala na yung the niceness of the hair after going to the salon.
Oh.
So after I take a bath, it's still gonna look
Okay.
good.
Treatments kasi normally composed of two treatments, permanent and then semi-permanent. Semi-permanent yung nawawala habang winawash. So what you can do is gamit ka ng home care, and then yun yung pwede mong parang pang-maintain. Para mawala man siya, pwede mo siyang ibalik through home care. Okay? The other one is permanent. So yun yung parang rebonding, straightening. It's like this one.
Yeah.
So kahit i-wash mo to, straight pa rin yan. Meron din akong ganyan. So, alin sa dalawa yung mas gusto mo? Okay. Kung gusto mong effect is make it straight, go for the permanent
Permanent.
treatment. If you want na parang, just to lessen it, may wave pa rin, and then may curl pa rin, semi-permanent.
How long before I can be able to use a ponytail?
Wala nang ganon. You can ponytail anytime.
And then it won't dent.
Meron. Even virgin hair, pag pinonytail mo, meron pa rin.
Pero,
Ano bang klaseng ponytail mo? Gamit ka nung tela?
yeah.
Oh.
Like
Yan,
that.
okay na yan. Tapos dry mo gamitin. Basa mo ba tinatali?
No. Pag dry na.
Dry is okay.
Okay.
Yun. So, you have two option. Alin sa dalawa gusto mo?
Straight na lang.
Tama lang dito, layer. Tapos, sa pag tinali mo, yan. Makukuha mo pa rin lahat. Tapos may konting lang. Na? Yung pagka-brown, okay lang?
Yes.
Yes. So, lagaan mo lang ng Pora. Ha?
Para.
Yeah. So, that includes everything. Ganda. Ayun. Just wait ka again for a year. So, tutubo ulit yan. Retouch na lang ulit tayo. Ha?
Okay.
Huwag masyadong madalas para hindi masira yung hair. Ma'am, okay naman. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay na. Okay, picture. Go, go, go. Daughter mo ba